Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, PDAC Day 2 Toronto, and we are on the floor now with Romios Gold Resources. And with me here is Tom Drivas, the President and CEO of the company. Tom, welcome.
Hello, thank you, hello.
Yeah, thanks for taking the time for us. Romios Gold, what's the company about? Where are you working? Where are you based?
Romios Gold is a 22-year-old company. We've got projects in 5 major camps in Canada and the US. Our flagship project, the main project, is in the BC's Golden Triangle. We've got about 188,000 acres there.
Wow, that's large.
Large, very large. We've been working there for 10 years. We've spent over $26 million. We have a resource. And right now, the Golden Triangle, BC's Golden Triangle, is very busy, and running.
Vogue, we would say.
Yes. The last few years, we got there was an infrastructure development of $1.7 billion.
That's a lot. Yeah.
The BC government, government and the government of Canada spent $700 million extending the power line to this area, to that area, and also the AltaGas, one of the major companies here in energy companies, spent $1 billion building 3 hydroelectric projects in the same area.
Wow.
So, and since we got the power in the area, there was a lot of, 2 mines went into production, Pretium and Red Crease. Actually, they got into production.
So you have good neighborhood.
Very good neighborhood. And the Golden Triangle area has a huge resource, about 152 million ounces of gold and about 52 billion pounds of copper.
Okay.
So it's a huge area. It's a small area, but huge resources. And Romios has, right in the center of it, has a huge land position that we've been working on it, and we'll be very busy this summer.
Okay, super. So how many ounces resources do you have so far? What is the NI3 for?
Right now, the NI 4301 resource is 300,000 ounces gold equivalent. It's about 5.5 grams. It's right on surface, but we had some really high-grade intercepts, like up to over 700 grams of gold.
That's a lot.
So it's copper, gold, and silver. We be concentrating in what we call the Newman Lake area here, and we've got about over 20 other zones that we need to drill. So it'll be very exciting summer.
So that's your summer program then.
Right.
Okay. So how many meters you think you drill?
We haven't sort of finalized the program. We just finished an airborne survey, a VTEM airborne survey. It's a deeper survey. Our geologists will look at all the zones and the new information, and then we'll pick up a couple of the best targets to drill this summer. Okay,
super, great. So, of course, when you drill, it costs money. What's cash in the bank?
About $500,000 right now, but we might, we've got some interest to get some more money.
I think so. You need maybe some more money. That's right, because drilling costs money as always.
That's for sure.
But that's the purpose of the exploration, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is then the longer term target? Because I see some big names here: Nova Gold, Tech, Trek is up there. So probably if you are, let's say, even more successful as you have been so far. You maybe might sell to some of your neighbor. You want to bring that by yourself in production?
We've got a huge land position here. We've got a project down here where we call the Newman Lake. This is very close, within a few kilometers from power and road. We think this is a standalone project. Okay. We think with some resources, in the next 2 or 3 years, we can bring it into a pre-development or development stage. And then we can either JV it with somebody or sell it or look at
options. I would call it.
There's a lot of options.
Okay.
We also have the other property which is very close to the Galore Creek deposit.
Okay.
That's our
big
Tech property, and that's sort of another project. Although it's one project, but we see it as a second one that can either be sold or JV or down the road basically.
Okay. Fantastic. Great. Well, thank you very much. It looks really interesting, really compelling to me.
It's very exciting, and the other thing is our stock price is very low. We think it's very low, and
too low.
So we think there might be the risk reward basically is very good right now for investors to look at this.
So have a look on that.
I mean
you are definitely in elephant territory, I would call it.
Definitely.
Super.
I mean, we're just south of us is Seabridge with a huge copper gold. Pretium is there. there. To the north is Tech, Galore Creek, Shaft Creek, Red Chris. Basically, there's a lot of companies working over there. You know, Garibaldi is just south of us, where they had a huge stock run last year from a few cents to $5–6. They're very busy. You know, there's other companies that are very active. So we think the Golden Triangle area would be the focus of the exploration in Canada this coming year. So, so I think investors should pay attention. Pay attention, yes.
Okay, thank you very much. That was a great final sentence. Wish you all the best on that.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it was Tom Drivas, the President and CEO of Romios Gold Resources. And you heard it, British Columbia is en vogue. It's to pay attention for investors, as Tom stated. And it looks like they're on elephant territory. You saw it already. All the big boys are around. And let's hope they do their homework this year again and find some more answers and a lot of optionalities on the table. So thanks for watching us. Bye bye from Toronto.